Hello student, welcome back to KK Social Studies. Today I am going to discuss with you the first war of independence 1857 MCQ questions. About 40 MCQ questions. Okay. The revolt of 1857 started on 10th May, 11th May, 12th May, 13th May 1857. So answer is first 10th May 1857. Mangal Pandey belongs to which of the following places? Jhansi, Hyderabad, Barakpur, Gwalior. Answer is C. Barakpur. Who took over the governance of India from the East India Company after his 1857 revolt? The British Parliament, the Queen, the Viceroy, the Governor General. तो आंसर इज ए, द ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट. यहाँ समझने की जरूरत है, क्वीन ने ही ली है. क्वीन जो है ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट का ही एक पार्ट है. ओके. जैसे इंडिया में पार्लियामेंट क्या है? लोकसभा, राज्यसभा, और द प्रेसिडेंट ऑल्सो इंक्लूड है पार्लियामेंट में. ठीक उसी तरह ब्रिटेन में भी अपर हाउस, लोअर हाउस प्लस क्वीन included here. Okay, Parliament. The British Army was recognized after the revolt of 1857 to A. Annex the Indian state, ruthlessly conquered Indian rulers, give more power to East India Company, prevent future revolt. So answer is prevent future revolt. The practice for looking down upon the blacks is known as religions, racial law, imperialism, racial discrimination. Answer is D. Racial discrimination. Mangal Pandey was from the Bengal Regiment, Bihar Regiment, Assam Regiment, Odisha Regiment. A. Bengal Regiment. Next slide. Which was not the cause of the revolt of 1857? क्या नहीं था cause? The doctrine of Lab, subsidiary alliance, conversion of Indian to the Christian, high post given to the Indians. Answer is D. ये कारण नहीं था. Which Mughal emperor ruled Delhi at the time of the revolt? So everyone knows Bahadur Shah Zafar II. Name the city from where Begum Hazrat Mahal led to the revolt of 1857. Meerut, Kanpur, Awadh, Jhansi. Answer is C. Awadh. Who among the following was given the title of Empress of India in 1858? किनको मिला था इंडिया की सम्राज्ञी का टाइटल? क्वीन एलिजाबेथ, क्वीन एनी, क्वीन मैरी, क्वीन विक्टोरिया. क्वीन विक्टोरिया ये सबसे ज्यादा शासन करने वाली ब्रिटेन की महारानी थी. ओके, ज्यादा लंबा टाइम पीरियड रहा. Which of the following kingdom was annexed on the plea that the government was not functioning poorly? सतारा, हैदराबाद, झांसी, अवध. अवध. कुशासन के आधार पर अवध को जो है ब्रिटिश साम्राज्य में मिला लिया गया था. Hindu believe that overseas travel would lead to loss of religion, ancestor property, caste, ancestor title, caste. The Act of 1856 made it compulsory for new Indians recruit to serve, worker, overseas, trader. None. The Act of 1856 made it compulsory for new recruit Indian to work to serve as ओवरसीज कॉलोनी में काम करने के लिए बाध्य कर दी थी सैनिकों को. ओके. तात्या टोपे रिवोल्ट फ्रॉम अवध, झांसी, दिल्ली, ग्वालियर. The answer is Gwalior. The revolt in Ara was led by नाना साहब. आरा जो बिहार में है, कुंवर सिंह, तात्या टोपे, सर चार्ल्स वुड. तो आंसर इज कुंवर सिंह. The Enfield rifle was introduced in army in 1857, 1856, 1858, 1859. 1856 में इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया था. बहादुर शाह वाज डिपोर्ट टू. कहाँ इन्हें भेजा गया? ढाका, नेपाल, रेंगून, ग्वालियर. आंसर इज रेगून. रेगून इज इन म्यांमार nowadays at present. Okay. Who declared himself as the Peshwa? तात्या टोपे, मंगल पांडे, अजीमुल्लाह, नाना साहब. तो आंसर इज नाना साहब. Lucknow was recaptured in 1857, 58, 59, 60. So 58. According to the Proclamation Act of 1858, the Governor General was given the title of Secretary of State, Prince of India, Viceroy, Indian General. The answer is C. Viceroy. Who introduced the policy of annexation, that is doctrine of lapse? कौन गवर्नर जनरल थे या क्वीन थी? क्वीन विक्टोरिया, लॉर्ड डलहौजी, लॉर्ड कैनिंग, क्वीन एलिजाबेथ. आंसर इज लॉर्ड डलहौजी. When was subsidy alliance signed with Awadh? Date 1719, 1800, 1801, 1805, 1801. बहुत बार क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है. From Meerut, the soldier marched to Kanpur, Delhi, Awadh, Bareilly. Delhi. Who led the revolt in Kanpur? Tatya Tope, Begum Hazrat Mahal, Kuwar Singh, Nana Sahab. Nana Sahab. Answer is D. Who was the Governor General of India at the time of the revolt? Lord Dalhousie, Lord Mountbatten, Lord Warren Hastings, Lord Canning. Answer is Lord Canning. फसल बोया डलहौजी ने, काटा कैनिंग ने. कांटा चुभा कैनिंग को. ओके. बबूल का पेड़ किसने लगाया था? डलहौजी ने. और कांटा चुभा किसे? कैनिंग को. Lord Dalhousie was appointed Governor General of India 1846, 1848, 1850, 1852, 1848. When Awadh was recaptured by the Britishers, Begum Hazrat Mahal fled to Gwalior, Delhi, Kanpur, Nepal. Everyone knows Nepal. The most outstanding military leader led the revolt in the western Bihar was कुंवर सिंह. सभी जानते हैं. क्यों? आप जानते हो ना कुंवर सिंह को. चलो. The British considered themselves as inferior, talented, superior, all of the above. Superior. The Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah was proclaimed the Shansai Bharat, Shansai India, Emperor of India, Shansai Hindustan. Shansai Hindustan. Okay, fill in the blanks. Children, the first war of independence, जो कि already वो MCQ डिस्कस किया जा चुका है. The first war of independence is also known as the Sepoy Mutiny of 1857. The Britishers considered themselves superior. Bahadur Shah Zafar was exiled to Rangoon. Rani Lakshmi Bai wanted her lost kingdom. The doctrine of lapse create resentment among the Indian ruler. Resentment means narazgi. Okay. Bahadur Shah Jafar was proclaimed the Shahanshah-e-Hindustan. True. At Kanpur, the revolt was led by the Begum Hazratma. No false. Nana Sahab यहाँ किए थे कानपुर में. The British followed a policy of racial discrimination. True. भेदभाव वाली. The regiment in Meerut revolted on 10th May 1857. True. A Secretary of State was appointed to look after the governance of England. No, governance of India. False. Thank you for listening and watching my videos and supporting me. Bye. Bye bye.